Our stereotype was men are superior to women, and the whole purpose of doing this project was to find out why people would think that, or if it's even true.
All right, so we sent out a survey asking about our stereotype, and the questions were, do you think men are superior to women? If you answered yes, why? If you answered no, what were your stance on gender equality? And then our last question was, do you believe that men are better than women at sports?
Our first question was, do you believe men are superior to women? There was 55 responses on this question in our Google form. 92.7% said no, and 7.3% said yes. Why this is we think that a lot of people believe that everyone's equal, which I think is true, and so does many people, because we're all human beings and we're all capable of the same thing. And I think some people said yes because a lot of people get really defensive about gender, and I think a lot of people take into mind different parts of it first, like sports, or a lot of people also could say as a joke, or you never know, people on our Google form, we send it to a lot of people, so there's many people that feel different ways about this.
Okay, so the next question on our survey was, if you answered yes, why? All right, so a lot of these answers were not helpful. So the first one we had was, my answer was not yes, it was no, which does not help our case at all. Another one was, no, I answered no, and I don't know. And the two actual reasons that supported their answer also did not help. The two answers that supported their claim were, they are, and it says in the Bible. The third question on our survey, if you answered no, what are your stands on gender equality? This one does not surprise me, because 96.2% said that they were equal, and 3.8% said that women are superior, and this one was probably just a joke answer.
And our fourth question was, do you believe men are better at sports than women? And 49.1% said no, you shouldn't compare them. 27.3% said no, and 23.6% said yes. And these answers are kind of shocking because it doesn't really make sense from the other answers. They were all on the side that we're equal, and but on this one, almost 1/4 of them said that men are better at sports, and we were wondering why this is, and we came to a conclusion that we thought that they think this because maybe how there's more men playing sports than women, and there's more chance to be better because if there's more people playing, then there's gonna be a better chance that there's better players playing, because out of the more people there's gonna be a higher chance. And 49.1% said you shouldn't compare them. I think a lot of people, those were the people that answered truthfully on the first two, because in the first three, because they were saying of how that everyone's equal and you it doesn't matter what you are. And then the people that said no were just on one side, and they're saying that that they're not better because either could be better, just that gender doesn't matter.
Okay, we sent out a second survey asking people what are some things that would make you think men are superior to women, and we got 30 responses. Okay, so one of the most common answers we got are that people think that men are superior at sports, and that they're better at sports, but they're not superior.
So for the second answer on the question that won, what are some things that you think that men are superior to women? One person said that I don't think that men are superior to women, but many things in media reflect that belief. For example, I know quite a few movies that portray women as fragile and delicate objects, whereas men are shown as powerful leaders and heroes. I think that they're trying to say how in the real world they aren't treated as well because of past experiences, or maybe what people just think about them because of their looks or past abilities, even though they've really never been given a chance to shine.